Hey there, if you're watching this, you probably want to be the best version of yourself. Let's dive into what it means to be a high-value man and how you can get there. The internet can make it sound complicated, but we're here to break it down. You just need a growth mindset and a little motivation to keep moving forward. Take inventory. First things first, take a look at where you're starting. Think about your strengths and the areas you want to work on. Some things are easy to improve, like fitness or grooming, while others might take a bit more strategy. Just be honest with yourself. The key here is to be objective. Don't judge yourself, and don't feel sorry for yourself. This is about growth, not perfection. What makes a high-value man? You might have heard that to be high value, you need to be super tall, ripped, or rich. That's not the whole story. Here's what really matters. 1. Aesthetics, how you look. While looks aren't everything, they do matter. Here's how you can focus on this aspect. Fitness, exercise regularly, and eat well. A strong, healthy body is the foundation of your appearance. Grooming, stay well groomed. This means regular haircuts, clean nails, and smelling fresh. Check out our other videos for grooming tips. Skincare, keep your skin hydrated, clear, and youthful. A good skincare routine goes a long way. Style, find a style that feels like you. Dressing well shows that you care about how you present yourself. Looking good might open the door, but keeping people interested is all about your personality and ambitions. Step 3, build ambition and set goals. One of the biggest turning points for me was figuring out what I wanted out of life. Maybe you're not 100% sure yet, and that's okay. Start by setting small, achievable goals. I set daily goals, like learning a new skill or working on my hobbies, and slowly those small goals help me figure out my bigger ambitions. If you're in school, think about what subjects or fields really interest you. If you're in a job you don't love, brainstorm other paths you could explore. The main thing is to keep moving forward with purpose. Step 4, develop your personality. When I first started my self-improvement journey, I thought personality meant being the cool guy or always trying to impress others. But I realized it's more about being my authentic self, fun, caring, and positive. Here's what I found worked. Be yourself. People are drawn to those who are real. When I stopped trying to be someone else, I felt way more confident. Lift others up, encouraging friends and family, being positive and staying humble made me feel better about myself too. Be kind but confident. Confidence isn't about being loud or aggressive. It's about quietly believing in yourself and being kind at the same time. Personality doesn't come from trying to fit an image. It comes from embracing who you are and being someone others enjoy being around. Step 5, build utility. Be independent and skilled. This step made a huge impact on my confidence and independence. Being able to handle life's basics, like cooking, driving, or fixing things around the house, made me feel capable. Think of the skills that'll make you more independent and useful to those around you. Whether it's learning to cook a few meals or getting a little better at problem solving, it all adds up. Step 6, have hobbies you're passionate about. For me, hobbies have been a huge part of staying balanced and happy. When I started out, I tried a few things, and now I can't imagine life without them. Hobbies are like little reset buttons in your day. Find something that excites you, whether it's a sport, a creative outlet, or even learning about something new. Physical hobbies, I tried martial arts, and not only was it fun, but it built my confidence too. Sports, whether it's skateboarding or soccer, can be a great way to stay active and meet people. Creative hobbies. For me, this YouTube channel actually started as a hobby, and it's been so fulfilling. Writing, painting, music, whatever lets you express yourself is worth exploring. Start small, but be consistent. I spend just a little time on my hobbies each day, and it's amazing to see the progress over time. Final thoughts. Becoming a high-value man isn't about being perfect. It's about being the best version of you. Take one step at a time, be patient with yourself, and remember that it's all about growth. Some days might be tough, but keep moving forward. You'll look back a year from now and be amazed at how far you've come. Thanks for joining me on this journey. I'm excited to see where it takes us.